So thank you guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly consider subscribing if you have not yet. So today our lesson is very simple and I'm going to show you how to play E major scale. Remember last time we talked about how to play the C major scale and D major scale. So today we are going to learn how to find this E major scale on piano. So let me just play once. So it is usually being played like that. So we are going to start with that formula that I shown you. We count like tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we start to find our first tone. So we go semitone, semitone. We get our first tone, semitone, semitone. We get our second tone. So do, re, mi. So from mi we count another semitone. We get this. So we say this tone, tone, semitone. Then we go to our next tone. Our next tone is here. Our next tone is here. Our next tone here. And our last is semitone. So you understand about how we are playing this. So is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So again, so when I play with one finger, so that do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So guys, I hope you understand how to play a E major scale. So the next lesson we shall be covering on how to play from E we are going to F. So I'll come back with a new lesson on how to play an F major scale. Kindly thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing, like and comment. My name is Fred Moore as always. Thank you. Let's meet on the next one.